Alright guys, I officially picked up the cheapest PDR, which is short for Paintless Dent Repair, and I believe that this will help me in my journey of getting the body straight on the 69 Torino. So everything that this kit includes is a little heat glue gun. It comes with 3 different varieties of paint sticks or glue sticks. It comes with all these little glue tabs, and I believe that these will be perfect for the kinds of dents that I have. I already had one of these 2-pound slide hammers from Harbor Freight, and this thing works fantastic. So I just took the spring off of the one that comes with the kit, and I just adapted it on here so it doesn't bounce off of everything. But this slide hammer for Harbor Freight, it's only like 25 bucks, I think, and it comes with this little pull adapter, and this is the one we're going to be using today. If we do pull it out too far, we can tap it back down because I got some hammers and stuff, and I'll show you how I do that too. But let me get one of these out of here. Like I said, they got all these like different assortments. We're gonna try one of these, maybe one of these ones, and then I want to use the black glue stick. I don't know, this seems like pretty dang hard. These ones seem pretty malleable. I don't know. Well, we'll see. We'll try to find out the difference. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the clear glue stick first. And I'm just going to I'm going to let this get up to temp, and it has a little switch on it, so that's pretty cool. But oh wow, that's already pretty warm. I'm just going to done this before. I'm a rookie. Alright, we'll see how well this one goes before I start gluing the rest of them on there. I think that's a good plan. Let's see. Oh, that didn't do shit. Paintless dent repair. It definitely ripped the paint off though. So be careful. Be forewarned. This can rip your paint off. I know it says paintless dent repair, but look. I mean, also this is paint that's like 50 years old too. So it's seen better days. Let's just send it. Give it a tug. I don't know if that did anything. What's the black one? What's the difference? Do you get anybody that knows the difference between these glues? Can you let me know? Because I have no flipping idea. Let's go. Let's give this one a shot. Damn that. That's freaking. Bada bang, bada boom. Hey, there's little stars. All right. So it says, and to release this glue, spray rubbing alcohol on it. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Oh, dang. See, look at that. Worked really well. Let's see if that happens over here. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Can you guys tell if it made a difference? Holy shit. I think it made a difference. Dude. It's still dented, but bro, what?